Welcome. Today, we'll learn how to detect duplicates in an array of numbers using Zig. This code uses a hash map, a structure that lets us store and quickly look up values. Let's break down each part of the code and understand why we're using elements like bool and try. We start by importing the standard library module instead, which gives us access to useful functions and structures like AutoHashMap and allocator. Next, we will declare a function with the name checkDuplicates, and as arguments it will take an allocator, which handles memory, and an array of integers. Bool. This return type means that the function can return a Boolean true or false or an error. At the closing exclamation point means it might fail. This is helpful for handling issues like memory errors. We create an AutoHashMap where each key is a number i32 and the value is u8. It just used as a marker here with no specific meaning. We use initAllocator to initialize the hash map with the provided memory allocator. This allocator handles memory requests for the map, so it can store values as we add them. The defer statement ensures map dinit will run at the end of the function, automatically freeing up any memory allocated by map to prevent memory leaks. Here, we loop through each element item in the array. If map guess item returns something other than null, it means we've already seen this number, so there's a duplicate, and we return true. If it's not a duplicate, we use try map put item zor to add it to the map. Try checks if map put succeeded. If it failed, it returns the error without interrupting the program. If it succeeded, it continues. This saves us from writing extra error handling. Main function. Here, we're using general purpose allocator and allocator that handles memory. Deferred, this block will run at the very end of the function, making sure we clean up any memory we allocated. GPA. Dinitab, this line frees up memory that GPAs our allocator used. Without this, we might leave memory allocated by mistake. After GPA, dinit, we check if there was a leak, meaning some memory wasn't freed correctly. If there's a memory leak, this line stops the program with an error message, LEK. So you'll know there's a memory issue to fix. We define two arrays, one without duplicates array1 and one with duplicates array2. Then, we call checkDuplicates to check if they contain duplicates. Now we will print by console if the matrices contain duplicates or not. Finally, we will open a terminal, and we will write Zig run and the name of our file in which we are working. In this case, it will be duplicates.zig. If everything has gone well, we will see by console the following result. So, to sum up, this code uses defer to make sure that any memory we allocate is properly freed at the end of the function. We call GPA dinit to release the memory, and if we detect any leaks, the program will stop and show LEK message. This helps us keep memory under control and avoid issues. Thanks for watching. If this explanation helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.